Hello, and welcome to the CareerLink How-To video. We will begin by walking you through the login process. Start by going to careerlink.ucalgary.ca. Then, select Students and Recent Grads. You will be redirected to the CAS portal, where you can sign in with your usual U of C credentials. Once you are logged in, you will see a menu of the different modules you have access to on the left. On the main screen, you can find the various shortcuts to your pages within your profile, as well as upcoming events and workshops, and settings within your dashboard. To register for an event, navigate to the Haskayne School of Business Career Center module and select HSB Event Calendar. From here, select the event you wish to register for. Here, you can view the event title, date and time, and a short description of the event. Below, you can find other details, such as the location. To register, select the Register for this event button. To cancel your registration, click once again. Please note that cancellations must occur 48 hours or more prior to an event, as per the accountability policy. To view and apply for job postings, navigate to the Haskayne School of Business Career Center module and select the Haskayne School of Business job postings. Here, you can view postings by categories, such as viewed or application deadline today. Or, you can view an entire list of all postings. Once selected, you can search for postings using particular criteria or order the postings by job title, ID number, deadline date, and more. Once you find a job you like, you can view the details of the posting, such as job description and application procedure. If the application procedure states accumulate online, you can apply to the posting through CareerLink by selecting the Apply for this position button. When booking an appointment with a career advisor, select the Haskayne School of Business Career Center module and navigate to the HSB Advising Appointments section. Here, you can choose which type of advisor you would like to see based on your program. Select Book by Appointment Type and select the advisor you would wish to see. Once you find an open time slot, fill out the required fields and click Book Appointment. you will have a summary of your booking once you return to the main appointment page. When booking an interview, navigate to the Haskayne School of Business Career Center module and select HSB Interviews. You have the option of viewing interviews or mock interviews at the top of the page. Select which interview you would like to sign up for. You can view the interview information here and register for an interview by clicking Book Me here. You may cancel your booking by clicking Again. To view BCom career resources, select the Haskayne School of Business Career Center module and navigate to the BCom Career Resources page. Here, you will find a list of all of our online resources, such as resume, cover letter, and interview resources. You can select each option to view examples, videos, worksheets, and more.